Welcome to Unit 1 of the Teaching Statistics Through Inferential Reasoning MOOC for Educators. In this first unit, we'll take a careful look about what inferential reasoning is really all about, and we'll think specifically about the key statistical habits of mind that we want to develop that really promote inferential reasoning. For example, when a student is collecting data and doing an investigation, they want to be able to make claims and generalizations from that data, but they need to recognize that there's always going to be a level of uncertainty in those claims. You'll also take a look and learn about different characteristics of good inferential reasoning tasks. Our expert panel will share some of their experiences and characteristics that they feel make good inferential tasks, and you'll have an opportunity to analyze a set of tasks and really evaluate whether you think that they provide good opportunities for inferential reasoning. Opportunities for inferential reasoning really start with the good questions that we pose. At the beginning of a statistics investigation, or perhaps throughout your exploration with data, the kinds of questions that we pose and we think about have to lead towards generalizations that go beyond the data at hand. You'll learn how to do this in Unit 1. We have chosen to characterize inferential reasoning tasks into three broad categories or types. The first type is one about comparing groups. And in these types of tasks, we're really thinking about a variable of interest and whether or not for certain groups we can find similarities or differences. We'll learn more about these types of tasks in Unit 2. Another category of task is really thinking about the relationship between samples and populations. In these types of tasks, we want students to look at the trends and the patterns that they might see in data and be able to make those generalizations and claims to the bigger population or a process that may have generated the data. Again, we'll take a look at this in Unit 3. Now, the third category that we have chosen to use is called competing models. And in these types of tasks, students really take a look at empirical data and they have to think about what type of model makes the most sense or is the most likely to actually fit that data. You'll take a look more about these types of tasks in Unit 4. In the Learn from Practice section, we will have video interviews with teachers discussing what they consider to be good characteristics of inferential reasoning tasks, as well as classroom videos showing opportunities to think about inference and inferential reasoning in both an AP Statistics classroom and a 5th grade classroom. The Explore and Discuss is where you're going to have the opportunity to analyze those set of tasks and see if they actually have good opportunities for promoting inferential reasoning, and being able to discuss those with our peers in the forums. Discuss with your colleagues is also a place we hope that you will join us in discussing the materials and videos in this unit, and of course we hope you check out all the different resources that we have for you and extend your learning. I'm looking forward to learning with you in Unit 1.